Hi guys, welcome to TechD. In this video, we are going to see how to make flowcharts using a free website called Draw.io. This website is useful to create amazing presentation flowcharts quickly and easily. So let's start. At first, open your browser and search drawio.com. You can download the software by clicking download button or use it as a website directly. I am going to use it as a website, so I click start button. This is the interface of this website. Now click file on the top corner and select new. It will show various templates for different fields like business, engineering, software, etc. So choose your field and select the template. I select this template. After selecting, click create button. You can choose various colors by clicking select style button. You can also change specific parts like changing the background color, change into gradient, and change the opacity like this. Now go to text button and change the text by trying the different fonts. Change the color of the text. Change the background color. You can also add shadow or border color like this. You can also change the position of the text like this. You can also create your own template. Select the shape of the any of the options in left corner. You will find various number of shapes in all these options. You see there are plenty of shapes you can use to create flowcharts or presentations. For example, I choose general option and select rounded rectangle shape. Now move the mouse cursor to the arrow and it shows the different shapes. And select the shapes like this. It would automatically create arrows for it. You can create your own template like this by adding more number of shapes. After you're done, click File menu and select Save As button. Name your flowchart. Select the HTML file type and choose where to save. I choose this file save to my PC. And click Save. After that, check the file in your file explorer. You see, hereafter you can also make flowchart easily and use it in your presentations so quickly. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos. See you in the next video. Goodbye.